All right, we got some termite damage. Whoopsie, little poke, poked that baseboard right through. They just painted over it, of course, because nobody seems to care and no ethical values remain in today's world. But look at that. Oh, there's a little live termite. Shocker. And there's a million of those guys in there throughout the house because it's obviously been infested for a long time. Look at that. Just crunch it. You know that old childhood tale where the big bad wolf can just blow your house down? He could for sure blow this house down. I mean, all you got to do is just give it a little poke and it'll fall apart. So, yeah, uh, termites will do that over time. Pretty crazy.